Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I came across a good deal in Domino's, so thought like sharing with you. So this is $9.99 any crust, any topping pizza, and the offer is valid until March 2nd. But this coupon does not apply to specialty and X large pizza. Anything other than X large and specialty, you can customize it, and then the coupon is automatically applied to your cart. Let me try to choose some. Going to build your own pizza and toast. I'm going to make a whole cheese, and there's a tomato sauce in the normal. So I'm not going to choose a meat. Just trying to make a veggie pizza. So like make a spinach and some black olives and onions and some jalapenos. So of course I'm not a pineapple guy, and yeah, of course I'm a mushroom guy. And was like yeah, of course diced tomato. You can always customize to the left and right, but just for this demo making it a whole. And then coming down, what else we have? Yep, add to order, just like cheese. Nope, thanks. And that is all there. So done with this coupon. Be person. No, it just keeps suggesting for additional items. So going back to my cart, yeah, and then see with all the toppings, and it's a 14 inches, which is a large pizza, and it comes to 9.99. So that saves like around 24 bucks. Yeah, I think this coupon is valid until March 2nd of 2025. So what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and place your order. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.